Hi, Kipsters. It's Miss Hudson, and it is now time for our math lesson. The last time that we were together, we worked with our high zero cards. We're going to continue to do that today, but we're going to add on our number bond, okay? So today we will model and we will write numbers 10 through 20 as number bonds, all right? So that we can break apart numbers 10 through 20, okay? So I'm going to get started with a word problem, all right? You'll need your listening ears, your laser focused eyes. You will need paper and pencil. If you need to pause to go get that, please pause now. All right, we're going to get started, all right? Listen carefully. David has some cars. He has 15 cars. How many cars? That's right, 15 cars, all right? And I'm going to draw a picture in the number bond to show you the 15 cars that David has, all right? So, you can draw a number bond just like mine on your paper. All right, I'm going to draw David's 15 cars. So he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to switch my marker. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many cars did David have? 15, right? So as I look at my number bond, it is not complete. So we have to put in our parts. Now David had 15 cars, right? How would that look with our high zero cards? Well, here we go. Here's our 10, and here's the 5 that's hiding the 0. That's 15, or 10 ones and 5 ones, or 10 5. Okay, you see that? Good. All right, so now we can draw that in our number bond. Okay, so what do you think the first number will be? I'm thinking it will be 10, right? Let's draw the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how many goes in our other part? Can you guys see? The sun is so bright. Make it better for you guys. There we go. How many goes in our other part? This is 10. How many are we bringing down? We're bringing down 5. I'm going to draw the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. 10 here. We brought that down. 5 here. We brought that down. Now we can use numbers to write. We have 15 in all. All right. And we brought 10 down here and 5 here. David had 15 cars. All right. We're going to keep practicing, but we're going to practice with more number bonds and 5 cards. All right. So the directions ask us to look at the high 0 cards and the 5 group cards and then write the number as a number bond. All right. Here we are. Getting my supplies together. All right, so for this one, we see this is the high 0 card, right? And we see that we have 10 here. Well, do we have another number that would be hiding under our, on top of our 0? No. So we have 10, we bring the 10 down, and then we don't have another number. So that number is 0, okay? Now, as I look at this one, these are the high 0 cards. I see 10 here, and I see 1 there. Now, we didn't have a total here, like over here. We have to figure out the total right there. So we know that one number is always going to be 10. And then now we look at our second high 0 card, and that's 1. 10 and 1, we know is 10, 1, or 11. Okay? All right, so remember, we're applying the same thing we did yesterday with the high zero cards, but we're doing number bonds today. Okay? So this one, we have 10 in this high zero card. I'm going to write 10 here. And how many do we have in the other? We have 2. So I'm write that number. So 10 and 2 more is 12. Or we can say 10, 2, or 10 and 2 ones. All right, great job, guys. Now we're going to use our five group cards. So we have 13. The whole is given to us. Now we need to break it down. We can use the 5 group cards to help us remember. I can see that there are 10 here. All right, I write the number 10 here. And then I need to count to see how many goes here. 1, 2, 3. So I write the number 3 here, and we know that that is 13. When I look at this one over here, it's missing the whole. So we have to figure that out. Let's go ahead and count and put our parts in first. We have 10 here, and that is complete. So we always know that 10 goes there. And then let's count to see how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write 5 here. And we know 10 and 5, or 10 ones and 5 ones, is 15. Let's go back and count to double check our work. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5. So we know that we are correct. 10, 5 is the same thing as 15. Okay, we have that 10 and we have that 5 hiding the number 0. All right. So I want you guys to practice one on your own. I'm going to read the directions to you, and I'm going to read it 2 times. Miss Logan had some peaches. She drew her peaches below. Make a number bond to match her picture. All right. I'm going to hold this up. I want you guys to draw this on your paper, and then you can do the problem. So I'm going to hold it here. You can press pause to make sure you get that picture correct, or you can just do your work from this picture, okay? I want you to fill in this number bond to match the picture of peaches that Miss Logan has. All right, push pause, and I want you to work the problem, all right? I'm gonna go ahead and solve this one. You guys ready? If you need more time, just press pause and finish up. But I'm going to keep going, okay? So, Miss Logan had some peaches. She drew her peaches below. Let's count to see how many she has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Or we can count using the say 10 way. So then we would say 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5. All right. So we know we have 10, 5. Those are the numbers that go in our part. We have 10, we have 5, and when we count it the other way, we count it to 15. So we know that 15 is 10, 5, or we can write it as 15 like that, okay? So your number bond should have matched my number bond, all right? 10, 5 is 15, or 10 ones and 5 ones, all right? I am so glad that you were able to spend some time doing your math lesson today. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teacher, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.